Okay, quick video. We've got a new Ford Ranger, those that have been watching our series, and we're going to do a few easy upgrades first. Interior lights. Ian's fed up with these interior lights. So when you when you unlock your car, you've got these sort of faint glow. Now our model, what model we got, Ian? Is the X. We haven't. We've got the base model.
We've got no stickers on it.
No badges.
Ford Ranger. That is
a Ford Ranger base. It's only got two interior lights, one at the front and one in the middle here. They do fade when you lock it. They go out and fade. The LEDs will also do the fade. It's quite a nice feature. When you unlock it, it's there. There's no other. Give it another unlock, Ian. Oh, right. There's no other. And this model, and you guys can tell me, we've got no door lights, no welcome lights. We've got no footwell lights. So we are going to show you how to upgrade the lights in this base model. Let us know if it looks different to yours, and we'll do that. Right, get the light on in, and let's have a go. Which one are you going for first? That back one. Oh, shall I turn them off here? Shall I turn them off here to stop them getting? Yeah, turn them off. Let the bulbs cool down.
So on this one we got two tabs at the back that are fixed, and we got a spring right in the middle at the front. So we're just going to use a trim tool here to release that. If you can see that spring there.
Hold on, I ain't got very good. Let me readjust my angle here. I'm all over the place. Oh, let me just have a look here. There we go. I'll say I got it better now.
So we got this metal spring here.
Yeah.
In the middle. Bulb holder is this black bit right in the centre. No need to disconnect the wires or anything. Twist that 90 degrees to get it out. Pull your bulb out, which in our case
might be hot.
Be too warm.
Right, give me that torch because I think the light will be better on my side.
And then from our kit we're going to get the small T10 bulb, so it's got LEDs in the front and all round the side as well, so it should give us a nice good glow. Non-polarised, doesn't matter what way around you put it.
Yeah.
And again, when you come up here, doesn't matter which way around you put it, you should be able to drop it in 90-degree twist, and then we can just check that works.
Yeah.
Just before we bother putting the light back in. For putting this back in, you need to keep it quite square. You're tempted to roll it right in from the back, but actually it needs to go in quite square.
Give it a little poop
before you hook this back edge in.
Back edge in first, and then that spring in.
And then that spring in last.
Right. Oh, that's looking good.
That's one.
Right, let's do the front one now. Oh. So there we go. So this is the front console. You may have a different front console. Let us know if it's different in the deluxe models, and we'll go and borrow a deluxe model and do an upgrade kit for that one. Right. Yep.
So what was this one? This was on 4.
It's on 4 little clips, wasn't it? You just got to, and it's just the lens you're moving. So just the plasticky lensy bit we're going to take down on this one.
So as soon as you get it off a bit, it'll come.
Well, let's have a look at those clips.
So there's the.
Yeah, there's the little clips there.
The little clips there. They literally just push over 4 of them, one in each corner.
What bulb we got in here? Got one of these festoon. You just lever out those little clips, look, and it'll fall out nice and warm, hopefully.
He says.
Whoa, there he is. Right, let's have a look at him. Oh, let me get the light. That's it. Yeah. So that's a festoon bulb. Let's see your new funky LED one.
So this one with a nice big heat sink on the back of it.
Again, not polarised, doesn't matter which way round we put it.
Shouldn't make a difference. So we're going to tuck it in one end first, spring that end out, tuck it in the other, and then just make sure your LED's obviously facing down.
You want to try him first? Oh, look at that razzle dazzle.
And then this should diffuse the light a bit as well. So if we turn our workshop light off.
Yeah, we've got the workshop light off. Turn this light off, right, and then we can go back outside the car, lock it, and let's see if it does a proper fadey thing. Right then.
So much crystal whiter light in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
As well as being brighter.
Right, let's have a look. We've got both of those there. So if we lock him, do they fade? Yeah, they fade. Unlock. There we go. Now unlock it again. Yeah, and look, the inside there is looking a lot. The camera's adjusting for a lot, but you can see it looks a lot brighter and cleaner in your car with those lights. So there we go. LED light upgrade. Done.